Every morning, the complex stirs to life, a symphony of logistics and human effort driving the global supply chain.
The hydration levels on tray 4 are optimal.
Agreed. Let's move this one to the inspection lamp.
Look at the texture reading here. We need more rinse pressure.
The scrapers are perfectly aligned, but the brushes are lagging.
Maintain the current rotation speed. The pH is slightly elevated on the main drum.
Acknowledged. Adjusting input flow.
The gloss level on this batch is perfect.
Yeah. Yes, the embossing is very sharp too.